That goes in the washing machine. Yes. Thank you. Good job. Thank you. Is there anything left in the basket? That goes in the washing machine too. Can you close the door? Good job. Yep, this goes away. You can play with that if you'd like. Thank you.